Hi there, this is Ritesh once again and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to set up Nginx on your Ubuntu system, and on my further videos, I'll show you how to set up reverse proxy, load balancing, caching and many more. So let's get started, and I hope that you all know what is Nginx. It's our web server. Basically, it is used for reverse proxy and a lot of other features it has inbuilt. That I'll discuss you in my coming videos. So let's get started. Open up your terminal, and first of all I'm gonna install Nginx, and for that I'll use my apt manager. So type sudo apt install Nginx, enter your password and hit enter, and this may take a while, so let it complete. So now it is installed, and by default Nginx is running in our system. If you want to check it, you need to type service Nginx and status, and you can see it's active and running on our system. So let's check whether it's running or not. For that, we're gonna open our Firefox, and by default my Nginx is running on server 1990. So let's hit localhost 1990, and if you'll hit enter, you will find one page coming up here, which is provided by my Nginx server. And if I provide some other routing here, you will find a not found error, which is also provided by Nginx. So this confirms that our Ng server is up and running and successfully installed in our system. So that's all guys for this video, and I'll tell you more other things like reverse proxy, load sharing and many more things. So that was all that I wanted to tell you in this video, and if you find this video useful to you, then don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video.